Hey, it's Sam Dean from Zandt Coffee, and I want to film a video today to show how mountain bikes fit in the back of the Tesla Cybertruck. All right, first I'm going to unplug from charging, and I'm just going to hit the button on the charger. Take it out. Set it over here by these spider webs. All right, then back up. I'm going to pull it out.
Go shop at vanzantcoffee.com to get your best coffee, best local coffee roasted. Douglas.
All right, so the first thing I need to do is open the tailgate. So I just use this button over here to open the tailgate. And then hit the up arrow to open the tonneau cover. I have the truck lowered at its lowest setting, the entry setting, so the airbags have lowered the truck down. Go over and get a shot of how low the truck is. At this lowest setting, I can step up into the bed. Okay, and I'm 5'10", and I was just able to step in the back of the bed. Set the stuff over here. Okay, so it definitely fits with the tailgate shut and the tonneau cover open, but I had a subscriber ask if a full-size mountain bike can be laid down with the tonneau cover closed, so let's try that. Okay, right here, the tonneau cover may hit the tire, but let's see if it does. You see the tonneau cover's touching the tire. All right, let's move back. All right, so there you have it. Full-size mountain bike in the back with the tonneau cover closed. So my full-size mountain bike, I have a Trek Rail 5. It's a large size mountain bike. It fits in the back of the Tesla Cybertruck with the tonneau cover closed and locked. And now I'm going to take it out. So I'm going to open the tailgate. Oh, you got to bring the phone closer, buddy.
And we got the Hoover
All right,
stocks.
open the tailgate. And then you see the mountain bike in the back. So I'm going to open the tonneau cover. Take this bad boy out. So really don't have to get in the back of the truck to do it. Boom. Yeah, so this is a large and also an electric mountain bike for your Tesla Cybertruck. So if you never ridden an electric mountain bike, they're really fun. Really make my mountain biking, in my opinion, a lot funner. So there you have it. Your mountain bike will fit in a Tesla Cybertruck. Thank you.
Okay, it's going now. It's going.
All right, hold on. We're gonna go down to 30 miles an hour. Don't drop it. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, they got my heart rate up.
Hey, please like and subscribe to our channel.